Today, we're going to be going over the top 9 reasons to join the partner community. And if you don't know what number 8 is, I'm going to bet you can guess. Okay, so if you don't know what the partner community is, it is this amazing group that Microsoft has sponsored, put together. We have meetings that meet a couple times every single week. You don't have necessarily have to attend all of them, just you attend some of them, but you get a ton of benefits from being part of this community. Number one reason to join it is you gain direct access to the Microsoft product team. There's absolutely nothing better than connecting with the people who are building the products on the platform that we're working on. You got a problem, you got issues, you want to see new features and functionalities that's coming out. It's the product team that holds control over all of that stuff. So it's a fantastic place to get connected with them. Number two reason to be joining this is you actually get to hear other partners, what they're doing, what they're being successful with in the field, what they're struggling with, right? So you can know what solutions companies have that are working or not working ahead of time. So you don't have to be the first and only one down that pike. All right. Number three reason to join. Number three reason is it accelerates your fabric expertise. Learning about all this stuff, having like architects and other people in your business contribute can really help like people's understanding of these solutions, understanding of the technology, making sure that they understand how these things work and operate together. All right. Number four, it's a great way to collaborate with the top builders out in the ecosystem. If you're looking to make partnerships like what we have on Fabric Fridays, all the people that you see connecting and sharing, like we meet through a variety of different channels, speaking at conferences, being in different places. One of those places is the Fabric Partner community. It's a fantastic place to be. Number five helps you stay ahead of the market, right? One of the big things you get is you get understanding of what's coming inside the Fabric ecosystem. It's not necessarily all NDA stuff, but you can start to hear about those things, and you might even get invited to some NDA type experiences and information. Microsoft is exceedingly good at taking feedback from partners, from clients, from customers, and then using that to shape that next version of the products. Well, if you're in the partner community, you get access to those people and you see the different opportunities. So, like, hey, if you want to be part of the pre-builds or the stuff that's going to be announced at the next big conference, partner community is a great place to be. All right. Number six, especially if you're a partner, this is a big one. What is it that partners struggle with? Well, like, what are you selling? What are clients, what are companies actively needing in the market space? One of the great things you hear about when you hear about people like, hey, I've got a client who's doing this. I'm trying to do this. I'm working with Fabric to do this. Those are opportunities. Those are sales patterns. Those are things that are actively going into production in the real world and solutions. So you can learn what's working out there. That gives you an opportunity to call people that you know who've had that same problem. You could talk to them about what could possibly be a solution, and then you can get more business. All right. Number seven, uh, I kind of mentioned it before, but it helps shape and guide the future of the platform. Maybe you want way more AI built into these solutions, or maybe you want way less AI built into these solutions. Hey, this community is a great place to get in, influence the direction that these platforms are heading, and it's just a fantastic place to hit on. Number eight, and this is the one I'm gonna you're gonna guess it. Why? Every time I join one of those meetings, I know I have the best day ever when I'm involved in the partner community. Okay, and then number nine, the very best reason to get engaged in the partner community is because it helps you connect with other professionals that are working in the field. So you can see the struggles, you can help people out, you can get connected, you can make that human connection because frankly, It's more than the technology. It's those human connections that help drive us, empower us, and like lead us to ultimate success. All right. It's a little bit of a different video for me. I hope you found this useful. If you did, leave a like button down below, or smash that like button, leave a comment. Let me know, what do you like being as part of the partner community or not? And to Stephanie, shout out to you. Stephanie's, if you're part of the partner community, you'll get to meet Stephanie. You'll know her. She'll help hook you up and get you set up. All right. Thank you so very much. You have the best day ever. Peace. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.